Hey guys, welcome to another video. I got this dugout, dig out. Over here is where my garbage can goes. Concrete. All this right here. And over here, if you could see, I'm gonna get it all concrete because of this. Oil spots. As soon I'm gonna power wash this, get this away. But I'm gonna get this concrete where the cars could come over here and don't block the garage. Sorry about all the leaves. I did the leaves today, and these trees decide to drop leaves because there was a little wind, but it's okay. Guess what? I got my friendly blower that could take care of it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.